So I bought this Gigabyte motherboard 3-4 months ago, and the model number is 970A-D3P. And I didn't see too many BIOS videos out there, and because of the popularity of the video I had on YouTube unboxing this motherboard, I just wanted to go over some of the BIOS settings. So the first thing you do when you kind of boot up into this BIOS screen by hitting delete, this is the screen that comes up, and it's really kind of bland. There's not too much that you can do to overclock it, and also the CPU temperature that you see there, 40 degrees Celsius, is actually misreported. It's more like 26 degrees Celsius when it is idle. That's kind of misleading in the BIOS. If I go into this screen, there's a summary page of kind of like the memory and CPU. And you could see there that I have a AMD FX 8328 core CPU installed. Now, some of the more advanced settings, here is where you can kind of overclock your CPU by adjusting some of the kind of clock speed and CPU frequencies there, and memory settings. Same with memory. You can adjust the timings. And here's some of the voltage settings. PC health. Basically, you can kind of do an alarm of what, let me go back, whoops, do you want to quit without saving? Let me cancel out of that. So in PC health, you can actually set an alarm when the CPU temperature goes up to a certain amount. So I have here setting it up at 70 degrees. So the alarm's going to go off if it goes above 70 degrees Celsius. The next screen is just general system information. And here's some of the boot options. Your typical boot options, nothing too fancy here. And you do have the power management settings. So for the most part, this is the BIOS screen that you see, and this is basically it. Nothing really special about it. Again, the motherboard comes with a dual BIOS, so if one of the BIOS fails, the other one kicks in with the settings that you already have, which is great. But other than that, there's nothing too noticeable. There is a screen here that is the status of the fan speeds. Let me try to find that right there. So there's the fan speeds that you see, and you could actually set, there's actually two system fans and a power fan that connections on the motherboard, so you could control that also with some of the warnings. But really, that's about it. I think I've scrolled through some of the more interesting aspects of the BIOS, which is pretty bland. But really, that's all you need for the most part if you're not building something too fancy. Okay, thank you for watching.